Well, now that I have a funhouse mirror in my Fiesta, let's go to the Mad Hatter and see what we can find. I gotta find something to keep my cost average down. That was a little wild. Those Italian cats, I mean, come on. Let's go in and see what we can find. I'm like all over the place. I'm jazzed up. I'm having so much fun today. Look at those crazy Weller pottery dogs. Look at that crazy gold horse. That is neat. I love the rabbit, but I'm not sure if that actually is Murano. Mary told me that if the feet don't touch the ground, it's most likely not. I don't know if that's true for all of them. The other thing I can't help but notice is this beautiful nude. That's $35 and 20% off. It's actually a pretty good deal. It's not like the best deal, but there's definitely some money to be made in that. Well, I think... Oh, there's salt and pepper shakers, I was gonna say. Those are really cool, those Ceramic Art Studio Frog and Toadstool Salt and Peppers. $32 and 25% off. It comes to like 22 bucks. I thought they were figurines. I don't know if there's much room in that for me, but they're very neat. Now this catches my attention too. This looks like it could be Italian. No, it's not. That's different. 35, oh, German. That's cool, 35 and 20%. It's kind of a pain to ship that though. It's just big. A lot of really cool Hager pieces, but I really like the ashtray. Siggy holder, I love that. That's neat. It's 25, it's 20%, so 20 bucks. I don't know. It's got some crazing. Might be close. If it was for me, I wouldn't think twice. What in the world is this? That's strange. Well, I spotted what I believe to be risque Christmas cards for $1 each. So I'm gonna have to investigate that. Here's some Italian dogs to match our cat friends. Those are $25 for the pair. And 20% off, that's a deal. Really awesome. Swung glass, that's $135 and 15% out for 15% off, excuse me. I love those. And then over here, that's a really nice one. Look at this. This is different. Now these 28, 39, 42. Those are kind of cool. I don't know if they're the best deal for resale, but good prices for collectors, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, look at these Santa salt and pepper shakers. 39. Those are fantastic. Wait. Oh, okay. I was going to say 95. Yeah, I don't think I can swing that for resale. It's a little close. That reindeer planter is really hard to find. That's an amazing deal for a, with the discount for a, well, not an amazing deal. It's a good deal for a collector. But again, that's fun too. They have such great Christmas. Look at the Christmas Santa Bell. Some really great stuff. Oh, and look down here at the Carolers light. That's fantastic. Leg glued. Oh, wow, look at that pink box and that Italian employee. That is amazing. That's really cool. Some really interesting stuff. You know, I'm still keeping my eye out for crazy cats. Well, this has my attention up here. First of all, the deer is $11 and 20%. Doesn't squeak. I don't think it's supposed to, actually. Yeah. Yoshino. I'll take that. And the little pink, purple cow. $9, 20%. That's a steal. Little horse, cat. Lots of cute. What's this weird thing hiding back here? Oh, the weird head. Oh my gosh, it's so dirty, but it's so fantastic. And look at this guy. It's like a lassie cat. $18, but 30% off. I gotta do the math on that. Well, for $12.60, it's in pretty good shape. Is that a cat or a dog? I can't really tell, honestly. Lion. It's a cat dog. It's very strange. for like at $12. It's pretty safe though. Now there's a piece here that really catches my attention. It says as is. Oh, it's like so broken. I was gonna say it's $10. It's really amazing. What's this strawberry bowl? $10? Made in Japan? And 30% off? $7? That's a no-brainer. I'll take that. That's really different. This is another really cool one. This one's 25, 30%. Really different. California pottery too. Poodle missing its fur. Some little cats. I've had those before. I'm still like kind of obsessed with that, even though it's super broken. And this purple one, that's neat. The one behind it's kind of wild too. Well, what originally attracted me over here, of course, was this amazing head. But then I saw this. It's a priceless panther. This case is one of my kryptonites. Of course, the first time I really hung out with Dagny, I told her how obsessed with that she is, and she actually made me one. It's the coolest thing ever. I love the cupies and the bakelite and the nudes. It's all a little close. I have gotten some really good deals in here before for resale. If it was for myself, the prices are super fair, but dude, look at this. That's wild. What is this vase? Chameleon ware. That's really interesting. And that Happy Holidays is amazing too. Now over here, not as phenomenal as I was kind of hoping. Love the vintage wrapping paper, how cute. Some more really amazing Christmas. I love the Christ Caroler and the Santa in the box. Choir boys. Now these are really fantastic, the little pipe cleaners. The stocking, how neat is that? Now this is really spectacular. This vintage light up tree stand, incredible. There's actually one piece back there that stands out to me. It's that Christ, Santa, and Sleigh card holder. I'm pretty sure that's worth more than $60, especially with the 10%. I'm looking for a 20% discount. I don't really want to look it up. I'm not going to grab it right now, but it's definitely noteworthy. I don't know. I'm not really seeing it in here today. This is cool. This face, there's something different about it. It's really pretty. 16 to 20%. What about down here? I like the orange. 68. Oh my gosh, look at the hat stand. The hat stand is fantastic. I have to know. 48 and 20%. It's not bad at all. A lot of the hat stands I find are so expensive. I have one. I got a really good deal on it. I think I paid $20 for it, if I remember correct. And people keep asking me to sell it, but I kind of want to hold on to it for a while. Oh, look. Beaded zebra. Let's see. So it's $8. Kind of feel like we need a beaded zebra for $8. I love this little pink pocket over here, especially this one. That's pretty. McCoy. Well, I see something back here peeking out. This is amazing. I'm sure it's expensive and weighs 100 pounds, yes. But it was actually this that caught my eye. This is a green glass bowl. It's really pretty. It's 22 and 20%. Interesting. Okay, but like right now I'm distracted by this. Look at that head and then the crazy horse. I know we saw the horse before, but like, what is that? Head cookie jar. Now look at those marble cat bookends. Those are spectacular too. Oh, there's a giant kinetic back there. Wait, does that say 45 and 20%? That's not bad at all. Oh, man, there's a lot going on over here. I'll go back over there. There's somebody who's kind of pushy for space. Can't stand that. Let's see. The big eye elephants. Lots of fun stuff. Oh, here it is. I love this thing. Miriam and John still spend even after the 20%. Now this is kind of interesting, but unfortunately they put the tag somewhere where it's kind of hard to make out. what exactly is going on there. It says Santa Bowl, but tag's not placed in the right spot. Now here's a cool piece. Look at that. Italian horse box, $24 and 20%. Looks like it's got a little wear to it, but comes like 19 bucks. It's really different. I might open that up. Yeah, I think that's pretty special for $19. I'm gonna take that. Yeah, holy cow, this is cool. Mid-century Lazy Susan server. All right, what's happening here? 95, 85, 20%. Doesn't do much for me. Really fun though. Look at this cute little guy. He's a music box one. All right, well, I have nowhere to put this, so I'm having a hard time. I'm about to check out, but first, I love this vase. And the other thing is this. I thought it was gonna be like ceramic or chalk, but it's actually a blow mold bank, which is really interesting. Never seen that before. Well, I spent $55 in there and I am off. I will see you guys at my next stop. Here's another one I haven't been to in a while. I'm at Heritage Antique Mall. I've done pretty well today. I've gotten some really unique stuff. I'm ready to keep it rolling. Let's go in and see what they got. Talk about a unique cat. Look at that painting. That is seriously antique. That amazing crackle glass decanter. Oh my God. Now check out that Lefton Valentine's Day planter. That's 95 and 20%. That's actually a really good deal. That stuff is incredibly hard to find, especially at good prices. Now over here, it is crazy in here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure how much filming I'm gonna get done. This is another place where they just have such unique stuff. I love that cat pin in there, the box. Again, it's kind of like the way it's all curated adds that certain element to it. Oh my gosh, look at these ballerinas. How fantastic. I think I'm actually going to take a look at this little glass cat thing. Now this, I also spotted. This, it comes to $28 for the set after, which is insane. I've never even picked up one that's... See, it's got this chip down here, though.
Oh, is it a big one?
Yeah, it's kind of significant, but at the $28, I mean, yeah. I kind of feel like I'm gonna do it. So I got the pink glass condiment set for $28. I got the cat for 14 and 30%, which is a steal. Let's see what else we can find. Good grief, look at those shoes. Oh my gosh, look at this. How fantastic. And then I see the Valentine's Day planter. How much is this one? 18, is there a discount?
Now my other one doesn't really like the pass.
FOX, yeah, so it's 20%. Well, that's kind of a no-brainer, isn't it? Those are kind of hard to find these days at resellers' prices. 18, 20%, yeah, that's fair. Fabulous elf head vase. Let's see. Nice carnival. Ooh, what's this? That's cool. $6 signed. And I think I'll pick that up, even though it's got the styrofoam in it. For $6, kind of can't go wrong, right? And then look at this. Art glass, $4. That looks... I wonder. Huh. Now this is also a really cool paperweight. Unfortunately, it's got a big chunk missing out of it that I didn't see at first. Now, what is this up here? I don't even know if I can get to it. Got so much stuff in my hands and there's stuff on the floor. $7. Oh, it's on paper. That's really cool. I thought it was on metal. Oh, I'm too short for this boot. Let's see. Need to find somewhere to put this stuff down. Box of mice over here. Now this one, ooh, this one definitely is sticks out to me. That's adorable with the fork, $3. And then the one sleeping in the matches, that's so funny. It's $2. It's kind of fun. I'll take it. Now this. See, that's why it's like hard for me to shop here, because oh, it's got damage or something. What? Italian has chips. Has been repaired. Wow, that's cool. Wow, that's really cool. Has been repaired, has chips, $60. Definitely can't swing that. Let's put this back. Wow, that's really amazing. I don't like the way they put that. Now, this is really different. I thought it was going to be like a hobbyist piece, but it says made in Sweden. $16 basically. Yeah, 16 bucks. I'm curious. I might look that up. Yeah, my gut's telling me to scoop this. It might not be my exact thing, but it's weird and it's unique and it's in great condition. The last one I saw was super broken and super busted and sold for like $20-some on eBay. But again, this one's pristine. Now, wow, look at that pencil holder, the cat one. Both of them, 25% off. I can't really swing that. Wow, look at those salt and pepper shakers. You got all the cool cats over here. The ring holders, amazing. Wow, I'm obsessed with this alligator. And talk about special. Look at this pink bottle brush tree. Music box. It's so pretty. It's $75. And good grief, look at that crazy thing. Yeah, there's another one. $3.50 and $2.50. Really unusual. And this is fantastic too. The pumpkin head bisque. Oh my gosh, and look back there, the little boy with the snowball. There's a couple things here that kind of interest me. One is this little pin cushion. That's beautiful, and it's hand painted. It's only $5. I'll take that. And then, of course, you know I still love that. This guy right here. It's newer. Slow motion, interesting. But it's really this that I'm just like kind of obsessed with. It's pretty big though. It's 10% off, so $27, which is a really good price. But it's just like, for the condition it's in, it's awesome. The edges on it are really unique. I just don't know, after packing and everything, how much I'd be able to get out of that. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. It's kind of close, but I like it. You know, because of the edges and the hand painting and the condition, I think I am gonna go ahead and take a gamble on it for 27 bucks. I spent $115 in there, and before I hit my next stop, oh, well, I just realized my microphone broke in there, but I spent $115. Got some really good stuff. Oh, excuse me. But before I head back, time to go see my friend Uncle Funky.